Hi everyone watching, my name is Daniela Zapian. Today I'm going to be doing my presentation for my digital culture class, and I hope you enjoy. The book I decided to read this semester is To Sleep in the Stars by Christopher Paolini, published on September 15th, 2022. This book is 188 pages. I'm going to do a quick summary of the book. During a routine survey mission on an uncolonized planet, xenobiologist Kira finds an alien relic that thrusts her into the wonders and nightmares of first contact. Epic space battles from the fate of humanity take her to the farthest reaches of the galaxy, and in the process transforms not only her, but the entire course of history. Okay, so I know xenobiologist is a huge word that I had to look up, so I'm going to just give you a quick definition. Xenobiology is a subfield of synthetic biology that studies of synthesizing and manipulating biology devices and systems. The name xenobiology derives from the Greek word xenos, which means stranger or alien. But what is xenobiology, and is it relevant to today? Yes, xenobiology is real and it actually does exist. Xenobiology is a form of biology that describes novel biological systems and biochemistries that differ from the canonical DNA, RNA, 20 amino acid system. However, no one has experienced the actual studying of alien life. But I guess there is scientists, which if you believe in aliens, I bet you believe in science, and connecting it to the real world would be there is people who study artifacts that come from space, trying to connect them to alien life. That's how I would connect it to the real world, but I guess everyone has their own beliefs on aliens. So another big term is first contact. This term is important to know because it's basically the whole book. You really need to know what first contact is. So what is first contact? First contact is a common theme in scientific fiction about the first meeting between humans and extraterrestrial life, or of any sustained species. First encounter with one another, given they are from different planets or natural satellites. It is closely related to the anthropological idea of first contact. I would personally say first contact is relevant to today's world because I cannot be 100% certain or if extraterrestrial life exists outside this world, but to each their own belief. But who knows if we have made contact with aliens. But if I'm being honest, I do think we have, so that's how I would connect it. So this whole book takes place 300 years in the future when humans have colonized a lot of the space systems. So basically they're living on other planets that aren't in our solar system. Actually, our main character Kira isn't even from Earth. She was born on a completely different planet, and she has never even been to Earth, so that's important. I think the whole idea of living on different planets and different solar systems is completely relevant and can be connected to the world today because, as we all know, scientists want to discover more of our solar systems and planets to see if they're livable and can sustain human life. I do think in about 300 years we would have made progress in uncovering more about other planets and if they're inhabitable or not. So Kira's whole job is to study not an alien artifact, but she studies any alien artifacts that she may come across. The connection that I made to this is we all know this famous picture. If you don't, basically it's a mummified alien corpse. And we know studies have been done to this mummified corpse of an alien to determine if it's real, if it's fake, if it's phony. But that's how I would connect that because that's basically what Kira is doing on her planet. So the whole base of the book starts when Kira is exploring a crashed drone site, uncovering alien artifacts when she gets covered by a soft blade that covers her whole body. The soft blade basically protects Kira. The soft blade is basically Kira's body armor, so that can be connected to our real world and give a comparison because we know a lot of militaries and police officers use body armor, especially this is like a whole body armor suit. We also have protective bulletproof vest, etc., etc. So the soft blade is basically Kira's bulletproof vest. So this lines up the book to start the war against aliens and human. Kira joins the rebels, and then boom, the book blows up and becomes this whole 850 whatever page of crazy war against the aliens and the humans-ish that are born on this other planet because they believe that Kira should not be withholding the soft blade. So although we cannot predict the future, I'm going to connect this to the real world because as humans, we are constantly want to mess up with we constantly want to mess with other life forms and create mayhem. I think if one day we do discover a life form in space, it won't be long until we upset them and they try to destroy Earth or one take over Earth. So to conclude, all in all, this book is incredibly long, but I think if you enjoy reading and want to really dive into science fiction-esque book, this would be a good book for you, especially if you want to sit down and really take the time to read into it. I would also come and compare this book to like a superhero book, because kind of Kira is a superhero when she's trying to save their planets from these aliens trying to take over. But I would definitely suggest giving this book a read. It's an awesome book, and I think Pauliani did an amazing job in this book. So thank you guys so much for watching, and hope you have a good day.